Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina until 4:45 p.m.
There are two alerts. It's just a discussion about severe stuff.
We're 11 miles southwest of Wakefield, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Conway and Woodland around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Eagletown, Milwaukee, George, Petrosi, Creeksville, Lasker, Galatia, and Folsom's Old Tavern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Good boy.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number